Hey guys, it's Matt from Avery Home Search, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about our giveaway. Told you I was going to give you a little insight on how to avoid getting scammed. So one of the things we did, we had two giveaways for when we reached 1K, and one of the things we just did was decided we were going to give away 2 gift cards for $25. We had 2 winners and they were not there at the live when we gave the when we announced who won. Anyway, let me tell you what I thought would never happen that happened. They went on into Gmail and created an account with one of the people's names for their channel and took a snapshot of their picture. It was off by a little. The name was off. It was really close. So it was enough to be believable. And they took a snapshot of the actual photo that was on the person's, profile for their real YouTube account. So of course I thought that was them. And come to find out, I got notification, oh, I won. Oh, I'm so, happy. And I'm thinking, oh my goodness, wow, this was not the person that I gave the Amazon gift card to, because they're trying to claim the prize now. So long story short, after I sent the money, the gift card to the right person, they contacted me in a rude email saying, hey lady, I won. Could you at least give me my prize? And so I blocked it. You know how you can block people in I didn't want to reply back because I already know I had gave it to the right person. But here's the thing. When I checked back a couple of weeks ago, I was just glancing over. There was somewhere in the email where you can actually, I guess, see who you blocked, or maybe I was looking at my inbox or something, an old email. I think it was the email that I sent them when I thought they were the winner. So I was looking in my sent emails and I noticed their photo had changed. It was not even the same nationality. Not that that matters, but yeah, the photo had changed. Try not to put giveaway on your title unless you're just announcing a giveaway that's going to take place like in the future. Here's what I want to do. I have this is pretty much our main channel, and my family, if you've been following me, my husband has a car channel, and we've really been working hard on this channel. So we've pretty much been letting his channel, putting it on the side a little bit. So since he's been really helping me with everything I need from this channel, and we kind of help each other out, I'm going to just request one thing. The only thing that you have to do to participate in the last giveaway, and that's for new subscribers or people that have been with me a long time. I know some of you already are subscribed to my husband's channel. You're already in the pool. You're already written down to participate. For any of you who are not subscribed to Andrew Scat Pack 312, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Send me a screenshot on Instagram at Avery Home Search. The reason I want you to send the snapshot to me on Avery Home Search is because that's how I will be contacting you to give you your gift card, and it's going to be a value of $30. So it'll be Amazon. You can spend it on whatever you want on Amazon, and that'll be the way that you can redeem it. So I'd rather do Amazon because I can just email it to you. I don't have to get an address and mail it to you. It's actually an email gift card that you redeem online. Now, of course, if you guys would prefer, if you're the winner, to have a Visa gift card mailed to you, just let me know. I mean, if that's what your preference is, because you can spend the Visa gift card on more. I understand that. You can spend it on gas, food. So, guys, I'm gonna be looking forward to reaching 2K with you guys and celebrating with you guys, because you all are one of the main reasons that we were able to reach that journey. Without you, it would not be possible. So thank you so much for your support, and I will definitely see you on the next one with an upcoming DIY. So thanks so much for watching, and head on over to Andrew's Gat Pack 312 and subscribe and send me that snapshot through Instagram. All right, guys. Bye.